dust settles on the banks of Old Sullivan's Cove, where the ghosts of the displaced still wander and rove. I stepped off the salt-cracked deck and felt the southern chill, a heavy grey mist hanging over the valley so still. They carved out the maps with a jagged and cold-blooded pen, while they whistled a hymn for the salvation of men. Old David Collins brought the limestone and the iron chain to build a new world with the currency of blood and pain. Lord Franklin followed after with his high-minded pride, while the truth of the slaughter had nowhere left to hide. The streets are dressed up in the titles of those who took hold, with names written in copper that should have been cast in mold. When I get down to Hobart Town, the stones start to speak of a fortress of islands where the spirit ground weak. In this prison without walls, they locked the horizon away and folded the night over the ruins of the day. They denied the first roots that were torn from the loam, and the wreck of a kingdom they dared to call home. The tailwind flows heavy like lead toward the deep, and secrets are secrets that the limestone will keep. But every milestone is a headstone in this stolen design, and morality is just a mark on a surveyor's line. I walk past the harbor where the tall ships used to dock. The heartbeat of shadows is trapped inside the mountain rock. They claimed there was a settlement, a soft and civil dawn, but the silence is screaming for brothers who are gone. A systematic erasure in the name of the white-crested ape, a garden of empire built on top of the grave. Now the tourists take pictures where the gallows once stood, and the rain washes clean the dark stains from the wood. But the wind from the south carries more than a seasonal change. It carries the names that they tried to rearrange. You can't repaint the shutters and polish the brass on the door, but the ghosts are still tasting on the cold cellar floor. When I get down to Hobart Town, the stones